Hi everyone, this is Carmen from Customize Me, and today I'll be showing you how to make a custom t-shirt using our very own regular HTV vinyl. Using Silhouette Studio, I've already created my design, and as you can see on the screen, I broke my design up into smaller pieces so it can make it easier to cut. We'll start with the red shape first, then move to the purple shape. I'll finish up with the text. Cutting my vinyl, I'm going to use individual vinyl sheets. And once I finish cutting everything out, I'm going to give you a tip on the best way to layer your vinyl when pressing t-shirts. Now comes the exciting part. As we sit and watch the cutting machine cut through all this vinyl. Okay, I've finished weeding. Next, I'm going to determine how I should layer this. This is what people usually mess up at because it's very difficult to determine which vinyl goes first. So with this strategy, I'm laying down the yellow super text first. Then I'm going with the blue shape next. All right, I'm gonna line everything up till it's just right. Then I'm gonna bring in my red color and line it up. Then I'm gonna finish it off with the yellow natural text. And this is the method that I would use when I'm layering my t-shirt. Now I'm ready to press. I'm gonna pre-press the shirt to get any moisture out of the shirt. Using my ruler tool, I'm going to line my design up so it's centered in the middle of the shirt. Come with my first layer first, which is the super, just as you've seen when I did the initial layering process. Line it up with my ruler so it's centered. Play with it a little bit. Just going to press it for 5 seconds. I don't want to do the full 10 seconds. I just want to press it enough just to get it to adhere to the shirt. Some people don't realize is when you're pressing your vinyl to the full time that your vinyl does shrink. I don't want to do this because what it'll do is it'll leave gaps between my designs that I don't want to have. Add my next layer. Trying to get it perfect, but not too perfect. I'm trying to get an effect out of the shirt. Press it again for 5 seconds. I wait to add 10 to 15 seconds before I peel. Red design, line it up. Thing with having multicolored designs, more you press the vinyl, the more it shrinks. So start seeing gaps. But I'm going for this effect here, so I'm not too worried. 5 seconds again. The vinyl that we have in stock is a hot or cold peel vinyl. The great thing about our vinyl is that the carrier sheet doesn't have a really strong tack. So that way, once you press the vinyl, you can pull it up easily without skewing your design. Going for the last color here. Get things just right. Like I said before, the more heat that's applied to your vinyl, it starts to shrink. So I had to cut my vinyl here so I can make sure that it lined up just perfect. Sometimes you have to do that if you have so many colors or after you applied heat several times to your design. Last time I hit it for at least 10 seconds. Press it one more time to get any lines out. If you're interested in the heat transfer vinyl and tools used in this video, check out the description below. And once again, I'm Carmen with Customize Me HTV, and thanks for watching.